Hi guys, just thought I'd show you a few things that we do in our trading room. People often ask me, how do I find the trades? Because we do so many trades per day. Well, we use artificial intelligence or algo screeners that go and search the market. So we don't have to. We program the algos based on our strategy that we want to use, and the market goes away, and the algos search and try and find what we're looking for. So without further ado, what I'll do, I'll quickly show you our algos in action live. I'll just share the screen for you, and then we can get going. There we go. So this is our typical screen. As you can see, we use Nike and Issue candles and fractals as basic. And down this side here, you can see these are all the algos. So we'll start off with, let's say, a 1 hour dipper bot. And what that does, it looks at everything that's got a 1 hour pullback ready for going long. And as you can see live, there's nothing here. Nothing on the short. There was this morning, but there isn't now. And if we go into the 3 filter 5 minute, as you can see, we've got 57 different screeners that basically mean we've got about 14, 15 strategies, and they look at all the different trades, all the different connotations that there might be. They go away and search all the FX, all the commodities, all the shares that we identify, and plus all the indices, and it comes and gives the list. So here we are. This is a 3 filter. We have a 3 filter and a 4 filter. The 3 filter looks at a 1 hour trend direction. It matches it when the 15 aligns, and when the 5 minute aligns, it goes, all right, it goes and gives us a list of all the different markets are ready to trade. For instance, we do know, of course, we do know, of course, that the FTSE beginning of the month, it rose up at 8 o'clock, and we cashed in on the rise. But then we had the filter, and we've done these 3 trades this morning, on this afternoon as well, as you can see. Fractal breakouts. You can go away and look at the Germany ones. We've had a normal manual trade there that come down and smack the target. What else have we got here, just for argument? Let's say Aussie USD. Right. Oh, right. Okay, we're long as well. Short as well. So Aussie USD, that came up this morning. 1 trade there, 1 to 1, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. We did trade more. But I think that's enough for the day. We've got another one coming in here, which is a fractal break. And the other one we traded today was, it's not in here now. So it's not, there we go, there we are. Pound Japani, not pound Japani, sorry, I'm getting that wrong. Cable. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 trades there, and they're all fractal breaks. It tells you exactly when to get in, exactly when to get out, because you use 1 to 1, and those are the shorts. Any longs in the market? Actually, yeah, a few longs there. We've actually traded that this morning. All right, okay. So there's the trade this morning that I identified. But if we wanted to actually continue trading this, then we can just look at, I'm just looking at how the setup works. There's another setup there. There's another setup there. And there's another setup there. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'll hit. So there's a screener, 3 filter screeners. There's 4 filter screeners that look at 4 different time frames. Basically, we have something for everything. We have frackers that we use for shorts. We have little frackers that go for longs. We have swing trades for 4-hour setups for going long and short. So there's a 4-hour setup for going long on CAD Japani. It automatically has found something that's completely oversold, and it's ready for you just to apply your strategy. Again, here we've got, this must have been looking in the live room this morning. Again, this one here. So what I'm really saying is there are a lot of technology around at the moment that we use. This is Pro Realtime code. It's free software. It comes free. Anyone can download it and use it. Very, very powerful. You can write lots of AI bots. This is just the AI screeners. And we're very, very powerful. They go and find the trades. Well, really, so we don't have to. And that's what it is all about. Trading should be all about taking money out of the market. So what trading should be all about is using technology to find the trade setup so you can choose which asset you want to trade. Then you can apply your strategy. Trading should all be about using technology, finding the setups for you so you don't have to, and then just trading them. That's what it's all about. If you like the video, please subscribe, put a like in the YouTube video. If you would like to learn a little bit more, drop me a bell. I'd be quite happy to show you around the room. And if you're interested in learning how to be a professional trader and taking money out of the market, we generally, well, we trade every single day, maybe 1, 3, 4, 5% a day, every day. And we can prove it. Every trade we do is live, recorded live, so you can go away and look at it the next day. If you want to have a little try, give me a shout and I'll let you into the live room and you can see what we do live every day. And it's not just rhetoric. We trade for a living. No hindsight trading. It is straight live in front of everyone. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. And the next video, I'll actually show you how to write your own algo to find the trades for you. And you'd be surprised. It only takes a few minutes. Hope that was useful. See you guys.